backwoods at midnight, the people gather round. No permits, no taxes, no badges to be found. A handshake seals the deal, no decree. A voluntary exchange between the seller and me. There's no coercion here, no theft to pay it done. Just people trading freely, the world rolling on. You want your goods untaxed, your medicine unchained. No one's forcing prices, the market unrestrained.
Black markets are better.
It's freedom on demand.
No gatekeepers needed.
No rulers in command. Voluntarism thrives where the underground flows.
The state can't stop it.
Where the black market grows. That homemade shine burns hotter, the store-bought gin and the backwoods butcher cuts, they taste better going in. The local honey's got flavors to explore, and that homegrown smoke, you know it hits deeper than the store.
Black markets are better.
It's freedom on demand.
No gatekeepers needed.
No rulers in command. Voluntarism thrives where the underground flows.
The state can't stop it.
Where the black market grows. No chains are traded here, no lives are ever sold. No pain exchanged for profit, no horrors, no blindfolds. It's food and meds and barter, no victims of crimes. Just neighbors helping neighbors, one deal at a time.
Black markets are better.